21. Mid-air tap. Can a seemingly invisible object be tapped?
Okay. Okay.
As you put up your AI construction skills, there's something you absolutely must understand. The only portions of the object that exist are those that are actually drawn. So you can make an object that has any empty space. AI for detecting taps will not trigger in an area with nothing in its tap. The same goes for home tap. If two empty objects overlap, for example, the contact will not be registered. But sometimes you want to trigger an action by tapping an empty object. In that case, create an object that perfectly matches the background. If it's a white background, make a white object. If it's a blue sky background, make a blue object. The player will be able to tell that there's an object there.